If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, then this video is for you. Since OpenAI has launched the GPT store a few days ago, I've seen a lot of cool GPT built by the community. Since my channel is all about how to make videos with the help of AI, I want to show you a new GPT which can write a script, create videos, generate voiceover, and can even add subtitles and background music. Now you can create high-quality video within ChatGPT in just a matter of seconds. You simply have to go to ChatGPT and click on Explore button to see the custom GPT. Here you can see all the GPT built by community, and in the search bar, just type Video AI and press the return key. This will show you some GPT, and you need to click on this Video AI by InVideo. By the way, you will need a ChatGPT Plus subscription to access the GPT store. I've also put a direct link in the video description. So the way this GPT works is that you need to write a prompt and explain your video topic and style. Now let's write a prompt with full instructions. Hey Video AI, I want you to do the following 4 tasks. Task 1. Create a 2-minute video about how the colony on the moon will look like in year 2050. Start by showing the current status of NASA Artemis II mission, and then continue by elaborating how moon will look like in 2050. You can use the following reference as your source, and here I will just copy an article link and paste it here. Create a sense of suspense in the overall video and keep an inspirational tone. Show the relevant videos to complement the script. Add suspenseful background music. Use a female voice with American accent for the voiceover and add standard subtitles. Now let's get to the second task. Task 2. Create 2 ultra-realistic thumbnails in aspect ratio 16:9 showing a colony on the moon. Also write big text as Moon Base. Task 3. Write 3 engaging and clickbaity titles for this video. Task 4. By keeping SEO in mind, write a 200 words YouTube description for this video with main keywords as Moon Base, NASA Artemis II, and add some more relevant and helpful keywords. Now I will just send the prompt. After a little bit of processing, it will ask to confirm. Now it will send the video generation request to InVideo AI and start generating the thumbnail. Now it will generate the video titles and description as per my instruction. Now the last task is to generate the video, and here it has given the video link. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to InVideo AI website, and here you need to sign up for a free account. After that, your video will start processing, and then you have the option to download the video.
Ever pondered the enigma that is the moon? Does its silvery glow stir your curiosity, inviting you to unravel its mysteries? Well, you're not alone. The allure of the celestial sphere has fascinated mankind for eons, and now, in the year 2024, we stand on the cusp of a new lunar era. The Artemis II mission, NASA's most ambitious project to date, is gearing up for launch. This isn't just another moon mission. No, it's the stepping stone for something grander.
But let's say you want to change something in this video. Simply type your edit prompt in the text bar below the video here. Let's say, change the intro and start with a topic's relevant joke. Now click on the Generate button. It's done.
Why did the moon break up with the sun? Because it needed space. Now, on a more serious note, have you ever pondered the enigma that is the moon?
Add a call to action at the end to subscribe to my channel.
Ready to embark on this thrilling adventure of lunar exploration? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where we'll continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. Your support fuels this journey, helping us bring the universe to your screen. So hit that subscribe button and let's venture into the unknown together.
Change the background music to something calmer and more suspenseful.
Why did the moon break up with the sun? Because it needed space. Now, on a more serious note, have you ever pondered the enigma that is the moon? Does its silvery glow stir your curiosity, inviting to unravel its mysteries? Well, you're not alone. The allure of the celestial sphere.
If you want more advanced controls, then click on this Edit button here to open the editing panel. Here you can delete any specific footage if you don't like. To replace a footage, simply select that footage from here, and you can search for stock footage here in the search box, and it will show the full library of relevant footage, and select the one you like. You also have the option to edit the script by clicking on this tab and replace or rewrite the script. So once you are happy with the changes, just save it and click on this Export button, and then select Export Video. By the way, InVideo AI also have an iOS app which you can download and generate videos similarly. All steps are the same. You can get started with InVideo AI for free, but if you are serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, which I highly recommend, then you should upgrade to a paid plan, which starts at as low as $20 a month. I think this Video AI GPT is really helpful for creating automated content for a faceless YouTube channel. And here's the preview of this video.
Why did the moon break up with the sun? Because it needed space. Now, on a more serious note, have you ever pondered the enigma that is the moon? Does its silvery glow stir your curiosity, inviting to unravel its mysteries? Well, you're not alone. The allure of the celestial sphere has mankind for eons, and now, in the year 2024, we stand on the cusp of a new lunar era. The Artemis II mission, NASA's most ambitious project to date, is gearing up for launch. This isn't just another moon mission. No, it's the stepping stone for something grander, something unprecedented. The Artemis II mission carries the promise of a permanent human settlement on the moon by the year 2050. Now picture this. The moon, our nearest celestial neighbor, is transformed into a bustling hub of human activity. Advanced habitats dot the lunar landscape, interspersed with state-of-the-art research facilities. Astronauts and scientists, not just visitors but residents, making groundbreaking discoveries, advancing our understanding of the universe. The moon, once a distant, untouchable sphere, now a thriving outpost. Lunar agriculture takes root, hinting at a self-sustaining future. Mining operations tap into the moon's rich resources, fueling further exploration and innovation. And it doesn't stop there. This lunar outpost could serve as a springboard for even deeper space exploration. Imagine the moon as our gateway to the cosmos, a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond. From the imminent Artemis II mission to a future moon base, we're on an awe-inspiring journey. It's a journey that not only reshapes our relationship with the moon, but redefines what it means to be a spacefaring species. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era, let your imagination soar. Marvel at the possibilities, at the potential of what lies ahead. For the moon is not just a celestial body, it's a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of our limitless potential, and it's waiting for us to make our mark. Ready to embark on this thrilling adventure of lunar exploration? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where we'll continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. Your support fuels this journey, helping us bring the universe to your screen. So hit that subscribe button and let's venture into the unknown together. Remember, the universe is vast and full of wonders, and together we can unlock its secrets. So join us as we reach for the stars and beyond.